So if you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I put LED lights in my saab to brighten up the headlights. Of course, the car then went ahead and gave me a front light failure, which of course told me I needed to get a resistor put in on both sides. So the link that I put below has the resistor that I used for this particular car, and if you guys need a resistor for another different type of light bulb, just check out that link and then go ahead and search the vendor who supplies that for the H7 or H8 or whatever the light bulb may be that you're looking for. In this particular case, it fixed my problem, and let me show you. And if you take 2 seconds, you'll see how I installed it in this car, so you know how to do it for yours. There it is. The resistors are right here, and just gonna pull this out here for 1 second. Everything's plugged in and tested. I put a zip tie on here to secure this from moving around. I drilled a hole on the side here, right underneath this cap, all the way through, so that these 2 wires can go ahead and squeeze out the side there and still put the cap on. Pretty clean, and as you just saw, everything fits nicely. So the one is in. Let's test it, just to see if it lights up. And it does. It lights up. All right. Factory harness into resistor. Check. LED harness into the other side of the resistor. Check. And I want this guy to be placed approximately, let's see, right here. This is where we want it. How did we have it on the other one? Right here. So, if we want it to sit in the same spot, we need to drill right here. And that's where we're going to drill it. Right here. Move this stuff out of the way. Alright, now let's shove our harnesses in there, like that. Put our cap put our cap back on. So this is gonna sit like this, and we want these wires to be tucked right here, like so. So we'll take a zip tie and loop it around here to secure this. So bad, did we?
Nope.
Boom. Let's go put her back in the car. Headlights are in, plugged in, secured. Grill is back. Goes in, boom, and double check, everything's good. Boom. Can you do me a favor? Can you go turn the car on? Well, turn the key on. All right, so you can see at night. This is why we did this. Headlights are on. They're working. Are you getting a front light headlight failure? And we are checking out okay. And as you can see, no lights anywhere. All right, so this is for the Saab 93, 95. And of course, if you have any other car from, I guess, this generation that has halogen bulbs and you update it to an LED light, that's how you go ahead and make sure that the car does not tell you you have a headlight out, because obviously they're not. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to drop a comment below.